I'm very much well aware of the fact that I have a face only for radio, and let's just hope that my personality can help persuade you to join us to celebrate National Honeybee Day on August 20th from 10 to 3 right here at HoneyBeeMade HQ, as we like to call it, on Route 352 in Big Flats, New York. And what we're going to do is have an open house. We'll give you a tour of our building, give you a tour of our property, show you our bee yards, and give you an insight and a vision as to what direction HoneyBeeMade is going to be taking in the very near future. But it's not just us that's going to be here. We're going to have local vendors to help us celebrate. Jared from Ann's Pancakes is going to be here all day long. They're going to be serving up honey barbecued pulled pork, chicken speedies, cheeseburgers, and the American classics, potato salad, macaroni salad, and coleslaw. Seth and Christy will be here with their products from the Lovell Family Farm, selling New York State maple syrup, quail eggs, and local produce. Linda will be here with Beetling. She'll have her personally designed jewelry up for sale. Victoria will be here with Goats and Oats Bakery with plenty of baked goods available to purchase. Carol Half from Hidden Alpaca Farms will be here selling an assortment of alpaca fiber products. Hopefully, if the weather's just right, she may even bring an alpaca with her. Monica from Lycedemy Designs will be here selling her jewelry, mirror art, pendulums, and key rings. Benjamin from New York Imagery will be here selling woodcrafts, photography, and slow for wildlife signs. That's pretty cool. I saw one of those in West Elmira just the other day. You really have to slow for wildlife in West Elmira. I swear there's more deer in West Elmira than there are in the back roads of Big Flats and Catlin and Pine City. Also, Alicia from Pink Zebra will be here selling some wonderful products from Pink Zebra. I know that their candles smell wonderful. Mandy from Squeaky's Treats will be here. Yep, it's feline products up for sale there. Catnip toys, cat bandanas, and cat beds. All the stuff you need for your feline friends. Tammy will be here selling her homemade gifts, crocheted and sewn items. We're looking forward to that. Danny from Peas Macaroons will be here. As you already know, they have a place out on Old Ithaca Road in Horseheads. They'll be here selling macaroons. Tracy Senator will be here with screen printed shirts. Let me re-say that. Tracy Senator will be here selling screen printed shirts and mugs. And Patty will be here selling handmade fabric crafts. So won't you join us for the National Honeybee Day celebration right here at HQ HoneyBeeMade on Route 352 in Big Flats, New York, and stop by. We'll show you how to take a walk on the bee side. So I hope you take this as a personal invite. So that's the day. So won't you join us for National